G'day ladies and gentlemen, this is another episode of Power Slide, and more specifically this is another episode of Mollimo Part 2 with the Mercedes A-Class, the brand new one, so should be a really exciting day, so let's join me. So this is the application of the Mollimo. As you can see, it's usual, we showed you this one before in the last video. It says the car is yours for 3 minutes now, and we only have to unlock the car. And we have to let them know if there's any damage on the car by taking a photo of it. We have to show it where's the damage and also what kind of damage is that. So my personal opinions on the Mercedes A-Class is pretty good. It's looking really lovely. It's much bigger than the last A-Class was and much more aggressive. So yeah, the wheel is pretty much the same as the last one was. About the Mollimo a little bit, it has much less stickers than the Volkswagen Ups has. It's not that shouty about how much does it cost. Actually, it's 111 forints compared to the 66 forints, but it's a premium car, so it's slightly different and slightly better compared to the E-Up. So the back of the Mercedes A-Class is not my favorite part of the car. The last one was much better looking. This car is a A200, which is the 170 horsepower petrol 2-liter engine, which is really strong and really fast, I have to say. Some cool details on the car because it's a premium Mercedes. We have a Mercedes badge on the windscreen wiper, which is really funny. It's good looking. So I'm not a big fan of the back end, but it's a premium car. It looks okay. So my favorite YouTuber on the Nordschleife has said that there is a mentality about rental cars, which is really true, that they are pushing it, they are hitting it, they are damaging the car. And he said a really good sentence to this, which is, don't be gentle, it's a rental, which is a really funny one. I like this, and it's really true. So I'm here and I can push this car like this, and actually it's really fast. So 170 horsepower moves this car pretty well, so good car. The things I love about the Mercedes A-Class, the new one, is the dual dash, which is a big screen in front of you, which is LED, which shows you everything you need to know, and it works brilliantly. The quality in the car is really cool, except the door panels. It's a bit plasticky, because it's a Mercedes, it should be great quality. So yeah, but out of the Mercedes, the BMW and the Audi, this is the newest and this is the best now, I think, in small hot hatchbacks. Or it's not a hot hatchback, but a really fast hatchback. So yeah, it's a lovely car. You have the flappy pedals on the car, and also dynamic setting, Eco Pro setting, and you can configure your sport setting, which is individual, which is really lovely. So this car is pretty cool. So the drivability of the Mercedes A-Class. So I drove the A45 AMG, the last generation, which was a really good drivable car. Now in this car you don't really know what's going on underneath you, which is a problem. I cannot bring this car to its full potentials, to 100%, because you don't really know what's going on with the suspension, with the drivetrain. It's a front-wheel drive car, so that's my only problem with the new A-Class. Other than that, it's brilliant. The technology is the best out of BMW, Audi and Mercedes. Yeah, that's my car over there. I just let my friends to drive it sometimes, so that is it. So that was your fabulous Power Slide episode for today. What a brilliant car that was. I love your little car. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you hit a like and subscribe to that channel. Hit the notification bell, and see you guys in the next one. Now you know what's coming.